Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be shortly explaining to you guys how you can stream on Wix. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to install an encoder. You can install it through the OBS installer, and that is what you're going to need to actually connect your desktop or your camera to the internet or to your stream so that you can stream that live. Now, once you've done that, and you can find instructions on the internet, it's very easy. Once you've done that, you want to go to your website editor, then go into apps and go into the app market, and then you're gonna search for Wix Video, and this will pop up. Just click on that, and after that's done, you're gonna want to click on Add to Site. It's a free install, so you don't need to worry about paying for anything. And once that's done, as you can see, it's adding the Wix Video to the site. And once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and actually set up the stream. Now, as you can see, you have videos over here. You're going to want to create a Wix Video account. If you don't have one, it should use your account on Wix, but it really depends. But you can go into Manage Videos, and here you can set up your stream. Over here, you just go into Live Stream under the video library. Whoops. There we go. And when that loads, you'll see that you'll be able to, as you can see, set up the live stream. You can either go live now, mobile or desktop, or schedule an event, and you can also create a channel right over here. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.